Important. The original ECU must stay connected to the scooter. It works together with the tuning ECU. So do not remove or disconnect the original ECU. Here is a short video showing how to install the ECU. On some models, the ignition coil may be located in a different place. Simply follow the spark plug cable, and you will find the ignition coil. On SYM models, it is usually located behind the right side panel. Disconnect the original connector from the injector and plug it into the wiring harness of the tuning ECU. Then connect the remaining connector from the tuning ECU wiring harness back to the injector. The injector connection is now complete. You must find a suitable place to install the tuning ECU and secure it to your scooter using high-quality zip ties. Make sure the ECU is mounted securely and does not interfere with anything. Also check that the seat can be properly reinstalled after mounting the ECU. Next, we move on to the scooter's ignition system. Here, we do basically the same as with the injector and ignition coil. Disconnect the 2-pin connector coming from the ignition system. You will now have 2 separate connectors. Connect both of these to the wiring harness of the tuning ECU. The connectors only fit one way, so it is not possible to connect them incorrectly, as long as you have identified the correct cables. Finally, there is one thick black cable left with a ring terminal. This is the ground, or negative cable. We recommend connecting this cable directly to the negative terminal of the battery. Alternatively, you can connect it to a good grounding point on the scooter's frame, if that is more convenient for your scooter. Now that the tuning ECU has been installed, there are 2 more things that may need to be done if they have not already been done on your scooter. Inside the variator of your scooter there is a restrictor ring. This ring needs to be removed. If you leave the ring in place, the scooter will not be able to reach its maximum speed. Most of our customers also replace the variator rollers at the same time with 6.0 gram, 13 by 16 mm rollers. In our experience, this setup gives the best overall performance.